In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a commission queue using Trello. Trello is a remarkably versatile tool for organizing tasks, and setting up a commission queue can really streamline your workflow. Let's dive right into the process and get you started on creating a seamless queue. First things first, you need to visit Trello.com. Once you're on the website, look for the login button and click on it. This will take you to the login page where you have the option to enter your credentials. You can log in using your email or your Google account, whichever you find more convenient. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the board section of Trello. Navigate to this area by going to Your Workspaces. Here you'll find a list of boards that you have already created. If you're starting fresh, you might want to click on the Create New Board option. However, for our tutorial today, let's assume you have a specific board in mind that you want to work with. Click on that board to open it up. Now the backbone of your commission queue is going to be lists. Lists help you categorize tasks and show the progression of work. Begin by clicking on the Add a List option. Think of these lists like columns on a Kanban board. Name your first list Project. Subsequent names can be aligned with your workflow stages, such as In Queue, In Progress, and Finished. After naming each list, click on Add List to confirm your choice. With your lists in place, it's time to add the projects or tasks you want to track. Click on Add a Card, which will allow you to create entries under each list. For example, label your first card as Project 1. This could be an individual task or a client commission depending on your needs. Once you've named your card, click on Add Card. Repeat this process for as many projects as you have lined up. Now that your cards are in place, it's time to visualize your workflow. Imagine you've received a new commission. It starts in the project list, moves through the stages, and eventually lands in the finished column. Begin by clicking and holding a card, then drag it to the In Queue list. As work progresses, continue dragging your card to the In Progress list. Once the commission is complete, drag it to the finished column. This drag and drop method reflects how tasks move through your workflow in real time. Congratulations, you've successfully set up a commission queue using Trello. This structure not only keeps your workload organized, but also allows you to manage commissions with ease and clarity. Feel free to adjust the lists and cards as your projects grow or change. By maintaining this system, you'll gain an invaluable tool for enhancing productivity. Thanks for watching and happy organizing with Trello.